Hello, my name is Amanda Marcela Gómez Helves. I am a student en la Corporación Universitaria del Caribe en licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil, sexto semestre. Then I will tell you some of the wishes, talking about wishes and imaginary situation. Present wishes. I wish I was with my family. I wish my father was with my. I wish the water in the Aguachica was cold. I wish hat and dog and cat. Past wishes. I wish I knew how to dance tango. I wish I had not drunk so much beer last night. I wish I had studied more for English tests. I wish they had not lost my choices. I wish school go to school very day. I wish I could marry Freddie. I wish I could travel all over the world. I wish I could graduation and start working as teacher. Thank you.